Hi guys, welcome to Chidre's Tech Tutorials educational YouTube channel. If you scroll down, you find web design and development tutorials section. In web design and development tutorial section, if you scroll to the right side, you find Bootstrap 5 tutorials playlist. If you click on view full playlist, you find all my Bootstrap tutorials where I am explaining Bootstrap in depth and step by step guys. In the previous video, we understood Bootstrap responsive breakpoints. We understood the meaning of 6 responsive breakpoints. They are XS, SM, MD, LG, XL and XXL. We also understood how we can display XS, SM, MD, LG, XL, XXL in different devices of different screen size. I minimize everything. Here I have my dash website folder. I open it. I right click on default.html page, say open with the notepad. You can see the default.html page is open in the notepad. Its title is set to Bootstrap demo. To display XS, SM, MD, LG, XL, XXL in different devices of different screen size, I have written a H3 and also I have some CSS code. Right? I minimize it. I right click on default.html page, say open with Google Chrome. You can see here it is displaying XS. If I increase the browser width, automatically it switches to SM, MD, LG, XL, just to simulate in which device we are. Are we in extra small screen device, medium screen device, large screen device, extra large screen device? I have written this H3 and some CSS code guys, which we don't use while designing the website. It's just for only understanding purpose guys. Okay, so don't worry about these things. In this video, we are going to understand Bootstrap containers guys. To design section of a web page or entire layout of a web page, we take help of Bootstrap containers. To design section of a web page or entire layout of a web page, we take help of Bootstrap containers. To add containers to a web page, we use either container fluid class or container class. What is the difference between container fluid class and container class? Container fluid class is used to create responsive, fully stretched container. That means our element is going to have 100% width in all the devices. In extra small screen, medium, LG, XL, XXL, in all the devices it is going to have 100% width guys. I'm going to copy this code and paste below the H3. You can see I have a div with a class of border primary. I am applying a blue border and you can see I am using container-fluid class. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see our container is having 100% width in extra small screen device, in small screen device, in medium screen device, in LG, XL. In all the devices, you can see that it is going to have 100% width. So that is the use of container fluid class. Container fluid class is used to create a responsive, fully stretched container. I hope you guys are clearly understanding. Next, we have container class. Container class is used to create responsive fixed width center aligned container. It is used to create responsive fixed width center aligned container. So if I go back and just change this to container, okay, I save it, go to browser and reload. Here in the XS, it is going to have 100% width guys. In the XS means in extra small screen device, it is going to have 100% width. Whereas in small screen, in medium, LG, XL, XXL, it is going to have fixed width here. Let me explain more clearly. I go back and I increase the browser width. See, in the small screen device, it is center aligned. If I right click and say inspect, you can clearly see that it is going to have width of 540 pixels. This container has 540 pixels in the small screen device. So that's what I have written here. In small screen device, it is going to have 540 pixel. In medium screen, 720. In large screen, 960. In extra large screen, 1140. In extra large screen, it is going to have 1320 pixel guys. And it is going to be center aligned div. You can see that in all the devices, our container is going to be center aligned. You see, in XL center aligned, in LG center aligned, in MD center aligned, in SM center aligned. Only in XS, it is going to have width of 100%. So that is the difference between container fluid class and the container class guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. If you want to add one more container, simply copy paste the div and decide whether you want center aligned or fully stretched guys. That's it. Okay, and remember, to design section of a web page or entire layout of a web page, we take help of Bootstrap containers. And container is a collection of rows. Our containers are going to have rows. Container is a collection of rows. We understand how to add rows to containers in the next video, guys. For this video tutorial, this much is enough, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about Bootstrap in depth and step by step, guys. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.